Hey everyone, it's Ellen. I hope you're all doing well today. Today, I want to talk about something really important, something that doesn't get enough attention and affects so many lives. It's about our amazing seniors and a hidden problem many of them face: loneliness. This issue is more widespread than we might think. You know, that feeling of being alone, even when surrounded by people, it's a deep sense of isolation that can be very hard to overcome. It's heartbreaking to think that so many seniors struggle with this every day. They often feel invisible and forgotten. They might have lost loved ones, retired from jobs they loved, or just find it harder to get out and about. These changes can be overwhelming. The truth is, loneliness is like a silent epidemic, quietly affecting the health and well-being of millions. It can lead to serious health issues. But here's the good news: we can do something about it. There are many ways we can help and make a positive impact. Just like we come together for important causes, we can rally around our seniors and show them they're not alone. Our support can mean the world to them. We can be their friends, their listeners, their cheerleaders. Simple acts of kindness can go a long way. We can make a real difference. Let's bring joy and companionship back into their lives. So let's shine a light on this issue and see how we can all help combat loneliness in our communities. Together, we can create a more connected and caring world for everyone.
Now you might be thinking, loneliness is sad, but is it really that big of a deal? Well, it turns out that chronic loneliness can have serious consequences for seniors' health. I'm talking about real, physical effects that go beyond just feeling down. Studies have shown that loneliness can weaken the immune system, making seniors more susceptible to illnesses. It can also increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and even dementia. And let's not forget the emotional toll that loneliness can take. Loneliness can lead to depression, anxiety, and a general feeling of hopelessness. It's like a heavy weight on their shoulders, dragging them down, making every day feel like a struggle. Think about it. When you're feeling lonely, you're less likely to take care of yourself. You might not eat as well, exercise as much, or even feel motivated to take your medications. It's a vicious cycle. We can help break it. By reaching out, offering support, and creating opportunities for social interaction, we can make a difference.
So, what's the antidote to loneliness? You guessed it: connection. Human beings are social creatures. We thrive on interaction, on sharing laughter, stories, and experiences. For seniors, staying connected is like medicine for the soul. It could be as simple as a phone call with a loved one, a visit from a friendly neighbor, or participating in a group activity. These connections, big or small, can make all the difference in the world.
When seniors feel connected, they feel valued, heard, and understood. They feel like they belong. And that feeling of belonging is essential for their well-being. It gives them a sense of purpose and reminds them that they are loved and appreciated.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, you always say we need to get up and dance. And you're right. Dancing is one of the best ways to stay active and have fun at the same time. Physical activity is not just good for the body, it's fantastic for the mind and spirit, especially for seniors. It helps maintain mobility, balance, and overall health. Think about it. Joining a walking group, taking a dance class, or even just going for a stroll in the park are all opportunities to socialize and make new friends. Activities can turn into cherished routines that bring joy and companionship. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that boost our mood and chase away the blues. It's like a natural antidepressant that keeps us feeling positive and energized. Plus, when you're active, you're more likely to get out of the house, engage with your community, and feel a sense of accomplishment. This engagement can lead to new friendships and a stronger sense of belonging.
Staying active is so much more than just moving your body. It's about embracing a lifestyle that keeps you vibrant and connected. It's about connecting with others, sharing smiles, and building a support network. These connections are vital for emotional well-being and can make a huge difference in our lives. When we stay active, we stay connected, and that's the key to combating loneliness. So, let's keep moving, keep smiling, and keep connecting with each other.
The great news is that there are already amazing initiatives out there making a real difference in the lives of lonely seniors.
Take, for example, the Meals on Wheels program. Not only does it provide nutritious meals to homebound seniors, but it also offers a friendly face and a chance for social interaction.
Then there are organizations like Little Brothers, Friends of the Elderly, that focus on providing companionship and support to seniors who are isolated or living alone. They organize visits, outings, and even holiday celebrations, bringing joy and laughter back into their lives.
And let's not forget the power of technology. Programs like Cyber Seniors teach seniors how to use computers and the internet, connecting them with loved ones and opening up a whole new world of possibilities. A doctor's perspective. Don't just take my word for it. I had the pleasure of speaking with Dr. Smith, a leading geriatric specialist, and she couldn't emphasize enough the importance of addressing senior loneliness.
She said, and I quote, "Loneliness is as detrimental to health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day."
Dr. Smith went on to explain that social isolation increases inflammation in the body, leading to a higher risk of chronic diseases. She also highlighted the importance of early intervention, stressing that by addressing loneliness early on, we can prevent more serious health problems down the road. It's clear that this isn't just a social issue, it's a public health crisis that demands our attention. A helping hand. How you can make a difference. Now, the best part is that each and every one of us can play a role in combating senior loneliness. It doesn't take much to make a difference. Start by reaching out to the seniors in your life. Call your grandparents, visit an elderly neighbor, or volunteer at a local senior center. Even small gestures of kindness can brighten their day and make them feel less alone. You can also support organizations that are working tirelessly to address this issue. Donate your time, resources, or simply spread the word about their incredible work. Remember, even a small act of kindness can have a ripple effect, creating a wave of compassion and support. Finding resources and support. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to start, don't worry. There are tons of resources available to help. The National Institute on Aging NIA website is a great place to find information on senior loneliness, including tips for prevention and support for caregivers. You can also contact your local area agency on aging. They can connect you with services and programs in your community. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. There are people and organizations ready and willing to help you make a difference in the lives of lonely seniors. Conclusion. Let's break the silence together. So let's break the silence surrounding senior loneliness. Let's reach out to our elders with open hearts and listening ears. Let's show them that they are valued, loved, and an integral part of our communities. Remember, a little kindness goes a long way. Together, we can make a difference and bring joy back into the lives of our seniors. Join me and let's make some noise about this important issue. Thank you.